MissVeeVariety and welcome to my live. As the topic said, blame no one but ourselves. Let us make it work. Um, at the end of the day, guys, you start YouTube and sometimes you get some help. If you are a freshman on the block and you don't have any help, like I was, and you have to make it work, guys. We cannot blame no one but ourselves. We have to try to make it work. You know how much time, guys, I have to put up and take down videos because I'm not that versed. Thank you, my sis. Thank you, sis. Oh, you're just leaving work. Thank you, sis. Thank you. I'm just here talking to see if anyone will stop by. But I'm saying, um, a lot of times we try to put the blame game on other people. But I am saying tonight that, thank you for the thumbs up, sis. I'm saying tonight that we, we cannot blame anyone but ourselves, because I was saying that when I started, I didn't have anyone to really assist me, but you and maybe one or two others. But I'm saying tonight that we are to blame no one but ourselves, because at the end of the day, everyone have their thing to do, and no one is gonna stop at each time to say, let me assist you or let me assist you here and there. You know, sometimes people do assist, sometimes people don't have the time to assist. So I'm saying, blame no one but yourself. We ought to blame no one but ourselves, because everybody have their own thing to do. And as Marcia from here, she always said that, girl, go and read. You have to read and try to help yourself. And I've been doing that, but sometimes I get it right and sometimes I don't get it right. So tonight, the blame game should be on no one. Guys, I'm saying tonight again, I am Miss V Variety, and thank you all for stopping by. I'm way behind, so I'm trying to catch up, guys. I'm trying to catch up. How do you find YouTube? YouTube is as it's good and as it's bad. I can say the bad in that it's not easily adapt. You have to read a lot to know about it. It's a huge platform, a very huge platform in itself. So the good is it it will help you along the way. You know, it at its good way. It will help you along the way. The only thing, you have to get to know YouTube. And if you don't get to know YouTube, YT, it will spew you out like that. It will say that you're not trying. We have to try to know YouTube, you know. So guys, tonight I am grateful that I have reached thus far in YouTube. I could have stopped and say I cannot bother, but I said let me try to continue to do YouTube. And for that reason, I am here one day at a time. I'm doing it one day at a time, and it's a learning process. It's something that you don't just take up and know it overnight. It's a long, long episode. It goes a far way. And all who think it's like 1-2, it's not 1-2, guys. So let us try to see what we can do on the street, because it's a busy street. It's a busy street. And if we don't try, to put in something, we won't get anything out. So I'm grateful. I'm grateful, guys, to reach thus far. 6,000 and odd subscribers. It's not an easy road, and even though you have subscribers, guys, you still have to put in the work. This thing is not just one day and the next day you're gone. You will lose points, and each time you lose points, you're going backwards. I know I'm losing points, but I know what I have to do also. I have I have to put in the work, and without putting in the work, we are going nowhere, guys. So tonight, I am happy in myself to know that I have mastered maybe a quarter of it. I just feel like I mastered just a quarter of it, because it's a wide street. The street is like an highway to where? To success. So it's a wide street, and you just have to put in the work to get out anything out of it. So tonight I'm not 100% happy about where I'm at, because I reach nowhere as yet. But I am trotting along. I am trotting along, guys. I am trotting along. And to trot along, we I have to be working. Yes, I have to be working, guys. So thank you, everyone, as we try to survive this street. It is a street, guys. So we have to try to survive it. Yes, guys. Thank you so much for the support. Thank you so much, guys. Thank you so much for your love and your support. I'm just here chilling, hoping that someone will pass through to show their love. On a hill far away stood a old rugged cross, the emblem of suffering and shame. For it was on the cross Jesus suffered and died to pardon and sanctify me. So I'll cherish the old rugged cross till my soul, when at last I lay down, I will cling to the old rugged cross and exchange it someday for a crown. Hi guys, I'm trying to sing. I'm trying to sing. Don't laugh at me. Please. Don't laugh at me. I'm trying to sing. So I'll cherish the old rugged cross till my true peace at last I lay down. I will cling to the old rugged cross and exchange it someday for a crown. Hi guys, good night. I'm Miss V Variety and welcome to my channel. So, as the topic said, blame no one but yourself. Tonight, guys, we have to try to stand up for what we believe in. And if we don't do that, we will fall. So, I'm here trying to um, trying to tell someone to don't blame anyone but yourself. If your channel gets weak, it's your fault. If it gets strong, it's your fault as well. So we have to try to push. The battle may be hard, but if we are determined and fight to the end, we will survive. So guys, let us not falter on the way, but let us don't give up. Let us just push and fight to the end. Yes. So guys, I'm here. June, July, August, I was sick. So sick. Yes, I was not feeling well. But thank God I'm up and about now and I'm feeling much better, and I am trying to fight it to survive on this street. This street is not a walkover street. No, no, no. Nobody can say it is a walkover street. It's a struggle, it's a fight, it's a warfare, it's everything in one, guys. It's 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 a made up mind thing. You have to fight it to survive here. Yes. And giving up is not an option, is not on my book. It's not in my book. I'm here kinda not doing well, but I am gonna push it. I'm gonna push for what I believe in. I'm gonna fight for what I believe in, guys. So help me to fight this good old fight. Help me to fight it. Show me some love, guys, as I walk this street. Show me some love as I try to survive on this street. Yes, guys, so I like singing, but I cannot really. I like singing, but I cannot do much singing. I always like this song, but guys, it's not easy to sing. But I'm gonna try. I'm not a singer. I just follow suit. So this song goes like this. There's always somebody talking about me, but really I don't mind. They try to brag and crush my progress most of the time. What a man thinks to say makes me feel bad. Never lose a friend that I ever had. I've got Jesus, and that's enough, oh Lord, and that's enough. There are so many times when I don't have a dime. I tell nobody but my life. My Savior, hear my plea, come see about me. Is my all in all. When you crush me down, Jesus builds me up. Take care of my enemies when they start to get rough. Take care of my enemies when they start to get rough. And that's enough, oh Lord, and that's enough. He saved me, that's enough. Keep me, that's enough. Keep me, that's enough. When I'm hungry, that's enough. Jesus, I've got Jesus. So the song is saying, there are so many times when I don't have a dime. I tell nobody but my Lord. There are so many, guys, I never know that hungry could reach my door. Hungry. I see that I was in my house one day and I was hungry. There was no food in the house. So as the song say, there are so many times when I don't have a dime. I tell nobody but my Lord. You know, there's a creator that we talk to when we don't have anything. And even when we have some things, guys, we have to talk to him same way. It's not when we're down and out, we talk to the Lord. We talk to him when we have things. Tell him thanks same way when we have things. Same way, you know. So he is the only one who is gonna be there for us. You know, guys, when we are down and out. Blame game. Don't blame anybody but ourselves. When things start get rough and tough in our lives, we blame no one but ourselves because we have the opportunity. People talk to us. You know, growing up, guys, if I had to do it over again, oh my God, there's so many things that I would have to do differently. So many things I wonder. You know, I wonder. I wouldn't be here struggling right now if I had just do the right thing, guys. Yeah, I wouldn't be here. And things that I get myself caught up in relationships, some relationships that I get caught up in, they set me right back. If I just had to do it over again, oh my God, guys, I would have money, I would have a big house, I would have a big car, I would have um meaningful things, guys. But I just took the wrong pathway, guys, and that's why I have to be. I'm, I'm struggling. It's not an easy road, but thank God for life. And because I have life, guys, I have everything. Even though I say it's late now to really amend certain things, it's not late. It's not late. I still have time. Not much time, but I can still turn things around by doing the things that I'm supposed to do. Blame no one but ourselves. And tonight, guys, I am blaming no one but myself because I can read and I can write and I know good from bad. And decisions that I made earlier, it could be avoided, but because things look bright and beautiful, I jumped in. You know, when things look bright and shiny, oh my God, they are most time leading us down to destruction, Broadway. When things look shiny and bright, nobody can talk to us. We are on our way to destruction. So, guys, let us take heed. I'm talking to persons 20 years and upwards. Make the right decisions in your life. Read a lot, hear what others say who are older than us, take their advices, because at the end of the day, we are gonna feel hurt and we are gonna get left out. So, guys, let us walk on the straight and narrow way. Let us blame no one but ourselves when things crumble upon us. Let us blame no one but ourselves when the road is dark and and dusty. Let us blame no one but ourselves. So guys, welcome again to my YouTube channel. It's been a while that I have uploaded anything, guys. So thank you for all those who stopped by to say hello. Yes, and I am Miss V Variety. I started last year, May, I think, and I am still fighting. And one of the thing is that I don't really upload much, and I have to try to upload, because if I don't try to upload will walk away from me. Upload will walk away from me. Success will walk away from me. I have to try to upload, guys. So thank you so much for stopping by to listen. I don't have much to say, but even to share with me some love. Thank you guys again, because your support means a lot to me. Even when the time is so gloomy and dark, you know, the Lord always send even one person to share their love with me. This other song I was trying to remember. It's one of my favorite as well. Why I'm not remembering? But when I remember, guys, I will try to omit. Singing is not vegetable, guys. Can't do my yugno. Singing is not vegetable, and my yugno, he can sing. I love his style of singing. My yugno is from Africa, but I try to watch those people. They don't have time to watch we. We are small fries. Oh, you reach home, sis. Oh, thank you for stopping by. Thank you, my dear. I know you are tired, I know you are tired, but the Bible says where one or two is gathered, doing something good, not doing something bad, you will be there in the midst. So, thank you, my dear sister. Me and you not have so much, but we are gonna fight. We are gonna fight it. We are not gonna give up. It's not an easy road, sis. Not an easy road. But I'm not gonna give up. You encourage me so much, and I reach so far now to turn back. No, I'm gonna fight it still. Me know you're tired, but you just stopped by to show me some love. Thank you, my dear sister. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. Yes, guys, I was saying, blame no one but yourself. But let us try to do the right thing. But blame no one but ourselves. Sis, and you all remember, you teach me to do all those things, I don't know why you're not getting through to do it. I don't know, 'cause I know that you're trying to solve the problem. I don't even know why you're not getting through to do it. I don't know, my girl. But I will encourage you not to give up, not to stop trying to see where the problem lies. Yeah. Don't give up. Try and try and try. And maybe because the channel new, I don't know if they're giving us some time to release the live. I don't know. Maybe You see the button when say go live together, don't let us go live together. Don't press that button. When you're doing the live, there's a button that says let us go live together. Don't press it. Because each time I press that button, I go into difficulties. I had to take down one of my live one night because I did press. I used to could press it, but these last days when I press it, the live will not go up. It is telling you all kind of things. But there's no, don't press it. Let us go live together. Don't press it, and you will go live. You will go live after that. So try again. Try again. Just put your subject heading, and when you're done do your live, you just go back and edit it. But don't press no button at all. It not allow us to go. I noticed that my sister. Oh, so maybe if you try another. Oh, you found that you have your whitey and. Oh, but you can use another a device. You can use another device. I think you can use another device. Yeah. Yes, sis, use another device. And try to see if another device can help you. Um, Sometimes we have to just shut our mouth because I'm saying that support is a hell of a thing. Support is really a hell of a thing. But I'm not giving up, sis. I'm not giving up. Mm-mm. I'm gonna fight it still. Oh, and your next one is an iPhone. Oh, so what do you think you have to do now, girl? Because it's only two phones you have, and you need your lives. You need your life, sister. You can. No, no. I was gonna say that if you know anybody that does YT, you could liaison with them and see if they can. Wow, ADI, thank you. Thank you, my love. This is one man that don't leave me out. He's always there with me. Once I'm up, ADI is here. Thank you, ADI. Remember to give me the thumb up. Thank you. Remember to give. How are you tonight? Is everything okay with you? Wow. Thank you so much. Oh. Oh. So you have to pay to do that, right? Oh my God. Sister, do what you have to do, girl. Do what you have to do. Do what you have to do, my girl, because you taught me this thing and I want you to continue to do what you have to do. Because you are fighting it, because you're getting a fight with it. And now you try to start another one, and girl, the devil is a liar. The devil is a liar. No, so it's a struggle for you, but God is God a God. And believe in Him and trust Him. Him are going to carry you through. And true, you have to work and tired, come in and rest. You don't have much time. But continue to do what you have to do. The battle may be hard, but just press on. Girl. One day, one day. One day, my sister. Me, me always said, me always said, I'm gonna put up a live. I'm gonna sit down in a live, and I'm still not doing it. I have to do it. I have to do it. I have to do it. If I don't do it, so it don't make no sense me do YouTube. Even if I want somebody stop by, still do it. If it's two, still do it. Right? At the end of the day, even one person will stop by. So I am trying my best to keep my channel afloat. It might be hard, but I'm trying. So I watched your video today and the chicken was so nice. Chicken soaked to the bone. The chicken soaked to the bone. Guys, good night. Good night. I hardly charge the speakers because I hardly use them because I am lazy. And I'm not lazy, you know. It's just that Portmore houses are so hot. Me tell you, so the houses are hot. It not giving a vibe to do anything. Your body just drained. Whenever you say you want to come and do a video, you just feel hot, tired, tormented in the house in my Portmore. Man say, I want to do a live. And me start sweat. Everything start go down. You know, it's not easy. Even now, I the fan on, but the house is so hot. But it can't, not so hot as previous nights. So I say, let me sit down and do something. So thank you guys. Thank you for the onlookers who just glimpse and turn away their eyes. Thank you as well. Thank you as well. For those that are around the corner, I thank you as well. Yeah, you have to turn on back that phone. Sis, if that is the case, you have to do that. If that is the case, my sister, you have to do that. Turn on back the phone. I mean, know maybe it's gonna cost you some money. This phone is blowing up my face. Hi, what's up? Hello, what? 2 yet? 2 yet? Hi, thank you so much. Thank you for stopping by. Are you a YouTuber? Let me check. Um, but you start 1 year ago, tired, but I'm not seeing where you have any, or you don't really do YouTube. Okay, okay, but thank you, thank you so much. One or two, I still appreciate. Thank you so much. Thank you very much. And you say you don't do YouTube because I checked your channel, but I don't see where you actually. Lucy, appreciate. I appreciate. What happened to you tonight? You're laughing. What happened to you, Lucy? Why you laughing? Oh, Tired say he give me a thumbs up. Lucy, Lucy, you're not giving me a thumb up? Anyways, I thank you for stopping by. Thank you for stopping by, guys. Thank you so much for stopping by. Oh, you did? Thank you, Lucy. Thank you. Well, guys, I am MissVeeVariety and I'm a Jamaican, born in Jamaica, still living in Jamaica. I started my channel last year, May, and amidst all that is happening around me, I still have the channel going. It might be dying, but not a natural death. It's not fully dead. It's still there. And I'm trying to do my best to keep it afloat. Thank you everyone for the love that you have shown me. I appreciate it. I really do appreciate it. And tonight I'm just here chilling. I'm just here chilling with this dirty bear. It want to wash. Got this bear a long time ago, but this bear want to wash. I'm gonna wash it soon. It's my little company. It's my little friend. My teddy bear. So guys, good night and thank you. I just gonna do an hour. I just gonna do an hour, not much. They say an apple a day keeps the devil away, so an hour a day gets my channel up and running. Yes, so I'm just here chilling, here surviving, here wondering if somebody else is gonna stop by. I thank him for the mountain. I thank him for the valleys. I thank him for the things he brought me through. And if I didn't have a lot of problems, I wouldn't know that God could solve them. I wouldn't know what faith in God could do. Through it all, through it all, I learned to trust in Jesus. I learned to trust in God. Through it all, oh, through it all, I learned to depend upon His word. I thank Him for the mountains. I thank Him for the valleys. I thank Him for the things He brought me through. And if I didn't have a lot of problems, I wouldn't know that God could solve them. I wouldn't know what faith in God could do. But through it all, I learned to trust in Jesus. I learned to trust in God. Through it all, through it all, I've learned to depend upon His words. You know, guys, we are not our own. We belong to somebody. We belong to the Creator. It's not we make ourselves, so we ought to give Him thanks and praise each day. And tonight, my topic is saying, blame no one but yourself. And tonight I'm blaming no one but myself. Because if I don't put in the work, I won't get out anything. So I have to put in to get. So thank you everyone for supporting me, for the support that you give to me. Thank you so much. I appreciate. 1 minute, guys. Give me a minute. Thank you, Lucy. Thank you so much, Lucy. Thank you. You're always there amidst what? You're always there. I'm just here relaxing with my teddy bear. Yes, guys, I'm just gonna do 1 hour. Just 1 hour. Oh my God. Life is just what we make it to be. Life is not a bed of roses. Um, challenges with YT. My challenges with YT is me not doing the right thing and doing the right thing at the right times. My challenges is not putting out the amount of work that I am supposed to put out. My challenge is to go out there and look videos so that I can upload to get watch hours. Yeah, those are my challenges. My challenges are to go out there to make videos and upload so that I can get the WHs. So if I don't go out there, I will not get it. So I'm going to be down. Should I say that? I'm going to be down for so long? No. I will have to do something different. I will have to do something different, guys, to survive. To survive YouTube street. Yeah. Hi, Kennedy. Thank you, Kennedy. Thank you, guys. Thank you, guys. Thank you so much. This is a teddy bear that I get from I was about 30 years old. It want to wash now. It's my little friend. Guys, thank you for stopping by. Thank you, Kennedy. Thank you, Lucy. Thank you, Tang. Thank you, Marcia from Yard. Thank you, everyone. It means the world to me. Thank you so much. I'm just here chilling. I'm just here chilling. The house is so hot. Guys, the house is so hot. Living in Portmore is not easy. Living in Portmore is not a bed of roses. Portmore is so hot. So hot, guys. But thank you for your support. As always. Guys, maybe you think it is a dummy sitting here. No, it's Miss V Variety. I'm just relaxing, just chilling. Trying to do what the best I can to keep my channel afloat. I was just here chit chatting to tell the people that when things go wrong or bad with you, you can't blame nobody but yourself, because we sometimes think we do things and we maybe think it's the right thing when it's the wrong thing. So sometimes we ought not to blame anybody but ourselves when things go wrong. True thing, guy. True thing. At the end of the day, we have to put in the work. If we don't put in the work, sorry guys, if we don't put in the work, there is no result that we're gonna get. So we have to put in the work to get some result. Because I have the teddy bear now, pure fur. So my nose dusty. Maybe it went to wash. Yes guys, so I don't have much to say. I'm just here chilling. I was just saying, as the topic says, that when things go wrong, we cannot blame nobody at all but ourselves, right? As it's rightfully said, blame nobody but yourself, because when things go wrong, you're gonna blame somebody. Which and while, if you had done everything right, there wouldn't be any blame game. But I'm saying that I am not putting up videos as I should. So when things start crumble on me, it's myself to be blamed. And sometimes, even though I'm saying blame nobody but yourself, but sometimes it's so rough out there and tough. You cannot get even time to scratch your head. You don't have the time to do nothing at all. But at the end of the day, we have to try. They said nothing tried, nothing done. So tonight, guys, I'm just here chilling, chilling, chit chatting to see. And the devil sometimes put things in our thoughts, but let us not listen to him. Let us not listen to the devil but and throw any blame on anyone. Just let us just know that when our time come, it will come. We have to just put in the work and know that one day our time will come. So persons who out there who are not seeing what they would like to see and things are not bright and beautiful on their part, just know that one day, the light will shine again. There's a song said, the light will shine again. So let us have faith and courage, patience, and faith to know that if the light seems dim now, it will shine again one day. So guys, let us keep courage and don't look back, but press forward, knowing that we will reap if we faint not. We will reap if we faint not. God walks the dark years through rain and sunshine. He walks in the billows of life's rugged sea. He works everywhere through the shadows of midnight. God walks the guide in just to guide you and me. God walks through the rain, through the storm and sunshine. He walks through the billows of life's rugged sea. He walks through the cold, dark nights and the shadows of midnight. God walks the dark evenings just to guide you and me. God walks the dark evenings through rain and sunshine. He walks every day, by night and by day. He walks through the cold nights and the shadows of midnight. God walks the dark evenings just to guide you and me. God walks the dark evenings just to guide you and me. Hey guys, thank you for stopping by. Please give me a like, at least. Oh guys, thank you for your love and your support. I'm just here chilling and saying to persons, don't throw any blame game out there. Just take it one day at a time. Just be yourself and take it one day at a time. It's been a while I've not come on the live to say hello to my people, but I'm here tonight, guys, just chilling. Give me a moment. Give me a moment, guys. Hi guys, good night. Good night. I am MissVeeVariety and welcome to my channel. I thank you everyone for giving me the support. I thank you everyone for to be here with me. I'm not having much to say as usual, but you know, doing YouTube, you have to be doing something or saying something, else things will leave you behind. Yes, so I'm just here chit chatting with my people. You know, sometimes I'm feeling tired, guys, but you just have to go, get on the go. Sometimes I feel like I cannot make it another day, but you just have to be there, be there for yourself and what is around you. So I'm not, let me say, I'm not really 100%. I'm kind of feeling tired right now, so I will leave in another, what now, maybe 20 minutes or 10 minutes. And I'm gonna just leave my channel on, might be, to get a few more views or something. So thank you for the support, guys, as usual. You didn't have to stop by, I didn't have to say hi, but you're always there to support. Yes, guys, thank you so much. Thank you so much. So guys, I'm gonna leave Teddy here. And I'm gonna sleep. I'm gonna leave Teddy right here. Cause I'm feeling sleepy, guys. I'm feeling sleepy. Sleepy now. So thank you for the support again, guys. Thank you for your love and your support. So guys, I'm just gonna let the video run for a little. I'm just gonna let the live run for a little more and then I'll close. So again, I say thank you for your support. As usual, guys, thank you so much. See you in my next video, guys. Let the phone to charge so that it will not run out of charge. Thank you guys for your support. God bless you.